Do you want to create a cool multi-reflection look that instantly grabs attention? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the layered mirror effect in CapCut Mobile using its built-in video effects features. Let's get started. Open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Browse through the available effect categories, and you can use the search bar to search for layered mirror. Tap the effect to preview it on your clip. The effects create multiple mirrored copies of your subject. You can also make some adjustments. Just click on Adjust button and slide the slider all the way you want. The slider depends on the version of CapCut you have. After that, drag either end of the layer to increase or decrease how long the effect stays on the screen. Before exporting, make sure you play your video to make sure that the mirror layers appear smoothly and match your style. And that's it! That's how you add layered mirror effect in CapCut Mobile. Keep editing, keep innovating, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.